Welcome back to Algebra 2, you guys. Today we're talking about section 6.1. This is example 4. We're composing functions by using ordered pairs. Composing functions is a little bit tricky. It's kind of confusing. You just have to be really careful about what you're doing when you do it. Where did these guys go? So it says given f and g, find f composed of g of x and g composed of f of x. This open circle here, as it doesn't say fog, that's f composed of g, meaning that we're going to find out what g of x is and then use that to find out what f of x is. So we're finding g of x first and then plugging our number back into f of x. Then it says state the domain and range for each function. So it gives us a list of f of x, or the values for f of x. So we got 1, 12, 10, 11, 0, 13, and 9, 7. G is 4, 1, 5, 0, 13, 9, 12, 10. So part A, it says find f composed of g and g composed of f of x. And the first thing says to find f composed of g, evaluate g of x first, then use the range, that's our y value, to evaluate f of x. So this is kind of a little fill in the blank exercise, but it says the first one is f composed of g of 4. First thing that we need to do is find out what g of 4 equals. G of 4 right here is 1. Now what we need to do is find out what f of 1 is, which is 12. So our first blank here, g of 4 is equal to 1. Now it says f of g of 13. Well, let me get a different color out. G of 13 is equal to 9. And then we have to find f of 9, which is 7. The next one we got, now we're still with f's. So we got f composed of g of 5. Well, g of 5 is 0. And then f of 0 is 13. So g of 5 is equal to 0. And the last one we got, go with purple. We got f composed of g of 12. G of 12 here is going to be 10. And f of 10 is 11. That's right. So what you want to do first is whatever's in the brackets. So you're going to find out what's in the brackets and plug that value, the range, back into the composition function. All right, let me erase these really quick. All right. Now we're evaluating g of f. So same idea, but backwards. So right here, we're evaluating f of 1. Well, f of 1 right here is 12, right? So we're finding g of 12. And our y value for when g is 12 is 10. Next one we got g of f of 10. Well, when f is 10, when x equals 10, y is 11. And we don't have a value for that. So we find g of 11, and it's just asking us to fill in the blanks. So that's what this is. F of 10 is equal to 11. Next one, we got g of f of 0. Well, f of 0, if we look up here, is 13. Boom. And if we're going to find g of 0, or g of 13, excuse me, it would equal to 9 right here. Same idea, we got g of f of 9. F of 9 is 7. You can see that right here. And we don't have a g of 7, so we're just going to leave it at f of 9 is equal to 7, or g of 7. Check our answers. We got those correct. The domain and range is just all of the possible x and y values. And that's all we got for you guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.